Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to Over the Table's Random Reviews. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you take a second and click that subscribe button down below because I'm doing lots more videos. Guys, the 100th video is coming up really soon. It's going to be absolutely amazing and you really don't want to miss out on it. I'm also doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. Don't want to miss out on that either. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. Now today's product, what we've got is a keychain coin-sized knife. Now this thing's supposed to be very portable, very convenient. It's on eBay for just a little over $1. Comes in multiple colors. Let's go ahead and open this thing up and take a look. Alright guys, we're going to use another keychain knife to go ahead and open this thing up. This is the Keychain key knife I reviewed in another video. Let's go ahead and tear right into it. Very sharp knife, sharpen it up with a sharpener, and let's get out our product. Here it is guys, this is really small. Holy crap, that is definitely tiny. Made in China, of course. Let's get it out of the bag. Boom. Now this thing is made of a stainless steel construction. It is an oxidized stainless steel, so it's got good protection. It's got a little keychain loop here for you. It's about the size of a quarter, guys. Yeah, like no lie, this is probably the exact diameter of a quarter. I believe the diameter is 2.5 centimeters in length, if that helps you guys out with knowing the measurement. And I believe the blade length is 1.5 centimeters. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. So it doesn't really lock into place that well. I'm not sure if it's supposed to. Wow guys, this thing's actually really sharp. Like, I think it's actually razor sharp. That is a possibility. This thing's so tiny, so convenient. I mean, look how small this thing is. It is absolutely insane. It's not even thick either. It's very thin. It will definitely not weigh down your keychain at all. Let's go ahead and do the paper test and see how sharp this thing really is. Alright guys, we got a piece of paper here. Let's go ahead and do the test to find out how sharp it is. I mean, that's crazy. It's pretty sharp, guys. It's pretty close to razor sharp. I don't think it's razor. No, it's pretty close to razor sharp. It took off a couple hairs there. It's just a weird shape, guys. This curve is an odd thing, but if you're trying to open up packages or letters or something, or you just need a little knife to carry around, this thing will work. I mean, look how convenient it is. It is so small. Let's go ahead and throw it on my keychain here just to show you how ridiculously portable this thing is. Alright guys, so this should give you an idea of what it looks like in comparison to the rest of your keys. It is absolutely tiny, does not make any difference whatsoever, and whenever you need to, you're ready to pull out your knife. Now it does have this little protruding knob here, which helps you grab it so you can get that knife out. I love the black look. It's a nice neutral look. The product's really nice, guys. I recommend it. I mean, you can't really beat it. It's just a little over $1. I'll put that link in the description if you guys want to get your own. So that is the $1 coin-sized keychain knife. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video review of the $1 coin-sized keychain knife. It goes along with pretty much a lot of the keychain type knives that I've reviewed so far, and it's a pretty nice product, especially for such a low price tag. You really can't beat it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for the giveaway or the 100th video. Have a great day everybody, and don't get shot.